weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ashland County, Wayne County, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time and 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service upper radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Savannah to 6 miles west of Hayesville and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Shreve, Worcester, Whitman, Polk, Hayesville, Polk, Loudonville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland.